Let's take a traditional embroidery method and try it in a whole new way. I am Blair Stocker of Wisecraft Handmade, and I am a quilter, an author, an educator, and a modern stitcher. When my family moved from Seattle to Santa Fe, New Mexico, I didn't have space to stitch a studio of my own, but I found a way to get creative with a vintage quilt square done in an embroidery process called chicken scratch embroidery. It's a variation of cross stitch, and it's always stitched on gingham check fabric. In this daily practice, I'll show you the basics of chicken scratch embroidery, the Smyrna cross, the snowflake stitch, and the weaving through those stitches. I'll show you how to stitch 24 motifs that we will put together and stitch up in a sample book. Typically, this type of embroidery is done with only one color, but we're going to add lots of color, and we're going to stitch on lots of different colors of gingham. It's relaxing, it's meditative, and what's great is that I can take it anywhere. All you need is a piece of gingham and your needle and thread, and you're ready to go.